Cameron Desmond Archer is a professional footballer who plays as a forward for Championship side Preston North End on loan from Premier League club Aston Villa. Archer is a product of the Aston Villa Academy. He joined the Aston Villa Academy at the age of 8 from local side Walsall and has progressed through all age groups to the first team, making his senior team debut in August 2019. Archer signed for Solihull Moors in the National League on loan for the 2020-2021 season. He played 26 games and scored 4 goals. He returned to Villa at the start of the 2021-2022 season. On the 24th of August 2021, Archer scored a hat-trick, his first senior goal for the club in his first senior start, a 6-0 victory over Borough in the second round of the EFL Cup. On the 22nd of September, Archer scored against Chelsea in the third round of the EFL Cup in a 1-1 draw that Chelsea went on to win 4-3 on penalties. 3 days later, Archer made his Premier League debut, coming on as an 86-minute substitute in a 1-0 victory over Manchester United at Old Trafford. On the 24th of January 2022, Archer joined Preston North End on loan until the end of the season.